So recently we have been receiving plenty of new leaks and teasers of Redmi K30 Pro. It includes new pop-up camera with notification lighting, faster processor, Samsung AMOLED display with HDR10+ and lots of stuff. So stay tuned for more information and I'll be back right after this. On Wednesday, we saw the white colored variant of Redmi K30 Pro, and from that image we got the clear idea of its design, like it has glass back, metallic frame, circular camera housing and a red accent power button which looks dope. In the second image we saw Redmi K30 Pro comes with a pop-up camera mechanism with single camera. So looks wise it's similar to Redmi K20 at least from the front. And yesterday we got information that it will come with multicolored pop-up camera effects. This can be used as notification lighting and is rather unique. I dig this design. Also, according to leaks, it will be 32 megapixel selfie camera. The display used will be Samsung E3 AMOLED 60Hz panel with 180Hz touch sampling. It's similar to what iQOO did with their latest phone. The display is HDR10+ and has peak brightness of 1200 nits. Furthermore, there is also confirmation that the display is TUV certified, which means the display will emit less blue light as well as less flickering. Both will be helpful for less strain on your eyes. We also got confirmation of the K30 Pro's linear vibration motor, which is said to offer superior tactile feedback and fast response times. They also showed this in a video where they tapped on keyboard to show how the response of the vibration motor is. Redmi claims it managed to optimize the new vibration motor for over 150 MIUI scenarios, meaning this motor will come in use for many MIUI actions as well. They have also teased the device will come with Game Turbo 3.0 for a more optimized gaming experience. This is not surprising given that every time they launch a new phone, they add new gaming features to Game Turbo. This time it's said to have features such as voice changer, night vision and AI highlighting. Some leaks coming from ChatStation, which is now confirmed from teasers. Xiaomi will use Sony IMX686 64 megapixel lens and dual OIS in the telephoto lens. Additionally, it's said to have 12 megapixel wide angle and 5 megapixel macro lens. So overall this camera setup will be amazing. Now coming to some previous leaks, Redmi product manager Wang shared two videos of Redmi K30 Pro running the Antutu benchmark and the Andro Bench score benchmark. In Antutu, the Redmi surpassed 600k points, which in itself is a great achievement. This is not a gaming phone like Red Magic or ROG phone, but even then it managed to score at par with these gaming beasts. In Andro Bench, the Redmi K30 Pro posted 1752 MB per second sequential read and 745 MB per second sequential write, which is amazingly fast. The credit goes to the UFS 3.1 storage. Now, according to some leaks, the battery capacity will be 4700 mAh with 40 watt fast charging. This battery will be enough considering there is not a lot of pixels that has to be pushed and it's just a 60Hz panel. And finally, the launch date. I probably think you know about this as this was the first thing that was teased. For those who don't know, it's March 24th. The pricing is something we cannot be sure about, but to give you some perspective, the base variant of 6 plus 128GB will cost 3299 yuan, which if we translate to INR, it will be approximately 35,000 rupees. So that's it for today. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.